compliments of the season to you guys. I wish every one of you Happy New Year. I pray you shall prosper in whatever you lay your hands upon. Okay, all right. So welcome to this video tutorial. I'll be talking about another script, which is a banking script. The name is Genius Bank, your all-in-one digital banking system. Okay, so let's go down and see what Genius Bank is all about. Genius Bank is the advanced professional banking system that all the necessary features to start a banking management based on Laravel. Mainly is developed for those people who want to start their business in digital banking system. It's come with VPS, FDR, wire transfer, and many more standard banking feature. If you are looking for complete professional banking system, then it's a great choice for you. The Genius Bank can easily handle limited user transaction, deposits, withdraw. Okay, so these are the features. These are the features of the admin dashboard. These are the feature of the user dashboard. Okay. All right. So what this script does is, if you are trying to start immediate banking, you don't want to hire a professional software developer, you're just trying to start small. This script is meant for you. Okay, so you can start your banking with this script. So as time goes on, you can upgrade and hire a professional software developer. Okay, so this script from the developer costs $59, but the way I normally do here is I sell for you at an half price. The developer is selling it. Okay, so I've already listed it on my website. You can see how much I'm going to sell it for you. So I'm going to sell it at the rate of $29 instead of $59. Okay, so let's deep dive into my control panel and let me show you how to install this software. All right, so let me go to my cPanel. I'm going to log in. Okay, I've been able to log in. So first thing I'm going to do now is to scroll down from my cPanel. I want to scroll down and go ahead and create a database. So I'm going to copy my username and database name. So select all privileges, click on so I'm done creating my database. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to upload the script into my root directory. So I'm going to upload the script here into my root directory, and you already know my root directory is script.temidrabai.com. Okay, so once you made payments and buy the script, so you are going to be redirected to where you are going to download it, or you are going to receive a download link inside your email. And once you download it, this script is going to be in a zip file. Okay, so what you need to do is to unzip it and upload the necessary file. So as you can see here, so this is the main file. I've already unzipped this. I've already unzipped it, and let me open it. So this is the file I'm going to upload, this particular one that save files. So the one you are going to come across is, I'm going to zip this particular Dinos bank. What you need to do is to unzip it and turn this particular one to a zip file and upload it. So this is the one we're going to upload to our server. Okay, so let me proceed. I'm going to click on upload, select file. So we're going to allow the upload to be 100% before we can proceed. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to pause this video. Okay, the upload is almost complete. Okay, as you can see this blue line now, so you allow it to turn to green. So once it turns to green, that means the upload is successful. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. So I'm going to reload it and check. So here is the file upload. Right now I'm going to extract this file. Okay, So I'm going to move all the files inside this folder to my main directory. I'm going to move it out from this file folder and move it to my main directory. Okay, so this particular one should be empty now. So I'm going to delete it. Okay. All right. So the next thing to do now is to open a new tab, and I'm going to call out my root directory. I'm putting script.timidrabai.com/install. Okay, so it's come out right now. The installer have come up. So I'm going to click on start installation. These are the server requirements. My server met all the requirements. That is the reason it's check mark all these server requirements. If your server did not meet the requirements, it's going to show X. So you need to do the needful. So now I'm going to proceed by checking the permission. As you can see, my folder permission met all the requirements too. So here I'm going to click on configure database. My website name, let me put Genius Bank. So here you can use any name. Okay, so they're asking for your website URL. So this is my URL. Database host, local host. My database name. My database name and username are the same thing. So I'm going to use it. My password is this. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to click on run install. Okay, so if everything is well set up, you're going to see this installation complete. Okay, all right, so here is the front end of the script. Let me open it. Okay, so everything is successful, and here is the front end of the banking script. There is it. So let me check the back end. Okay, so here is the back end. This is the login. Successful. Okay, I've been able to log into the backend. So here is how the backend look like. This is how it looks like. All right. I'm going to click on complete process. So I don't know what happened. So I think what they mean is they want us to delete the, okay. There's no need of deleting it again. Okay, it's already gone. So when I click on the finalize button, that finalize button is going to delete the install folder. So, and it's already done. Okay. So once you set up everything correctly, so you can start enjoying your script and make any modification you need to make to it. Okay. So this is going to be the end of this video. Once again, happy new year and compliment of the scene to you guys. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Okay, so this year I'm going to be releasing video. I'm going to try and be releasing the video daily. Okay, so please, I don't want you to just come to my channel and just watch my video without subscribing. Okay, please try and subscribe to my channel, and to my subscriber, please comment, share, and inform your family and friends about my channel. And if you find this content useful, please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.